Hearing with zone. Hearing with zone. Select the zone. Yes. You're feeling. You're feeling scared. Right? Scared is this one. What is feeling scared? Right? Okay. And keep this aside. Okay. What is the energy level, darling? Okay, your energy level is high because you're feeling scared. Okay. Fine. Okay, maybe we have some cards. We'll talk about. Okay. This is a break card. See here. This is a break card. This is a talk card. Okay. I know you are feeling scared. Either we can talk about it or you want to have a break and then talk about it. Okay. Okay. Fine. You can have your break. Okay, darling? Are you feeling fine now? Are you feeling fine? Yes. Okay. Now do you want to talk about it? Can we have a talk? Can we have a talk? Yes. See, our sir is new. Daniel sir is new here, and today we are sitting in a new classroom. I know because
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.